everybody and welcome to another phonics session. Today we're going to learn another set 3 sound, but let's start as we always do by going through the sounds that we've learnt so far. Are you ready? Call them out at home. Oo, oo, o, o, I, a, oi, e, o, e, r, ow, oi, or. Well done if you've remembered all of our sounds. Now let's have a look at our new sound for today. This is our new sound. It's a set 3 sound and we've got 2 letters. We say 2 letters, 1 sound. We've got an a and a w, but when they're together they make a new sound, or. Let's try that together. Or, or, or. Now we've seen an or sound before. We know this is an or sound. Or, shut the door. We've now got another or sound. Let's have a look at today's picture. Here we've got some birds. They are sitting on a tree and the sun is rising and they are yawning. So we say, or yawn at dawn. Let's try that together. Or yawn at dawn. Or yawn at dawn. Or yawn at dawn. Or yawn at dawn. So when you see our new a and w together, remember the special friend is or. Now I've got some words that have our or sound in. I'm going to say the sounds. I want you to blend those sounds together and tell me my word. Are you ready? Let's start with just 2 fred fingers. Your first one's nice and easy and your sounds are s, or, saw. Well done. Are you ready to try one for yourself? This time I want another 2 fred fingers and your word is or. Or. Law. Well done if you got it right. Next one, I'd like you to get 3 fred fingers. Your words are k, or. What's the word? Claw. Well done. This time, get just 2 fred fingers. P, or. Paw. Well done. And we'll do one more. We'll have 2 fred fingers again. J, or. Jaw. This is your jaw here. Okay, we've got some more words with the or sound in. We've got straw, dawn, claw, yawn and crawl. All of those words have the or sound with an a and a w. Or, yawn at dawn. Let's move on to reading some words. Now all of our words today have our new or sound in. Look out for them. Can you see my new special friends? There they are. Let's read the word together. S, or, saw. Or, law. P, or, paw. K, all. K, Orn. Yawn. Well done. Now let's move on to our tricky red words. Remember, can't thread a red, you've got to learn them. Have a go at home. My. Oh, it's upside down. To. Do. You. The. Her. Me. And back to the start, my. Well done. So we've learnt our new sound, we've read some green words and some red words. It must be time for reading our sentence. Now I've got 2 sentences again for you today. I'd like you to read out the sentences and the words at home and help me to read my whole sentence. Are you ready? We're starting off with an irregular red word. What's this word here? I. We need to thread the next one. Off we go. Call the sounds out at home. D, I, ink. D, ink. Drink. I drink. Tricky red word. We've already seen this one today. My. I drink my ilk. Milk. I drink my milk. With. I drink my milk with a. Now our last word has our new special friend in. Can you remember it? Or. Let's thread out our new word together. Or. Straw. Straw. I drink my milk with a straw. Well done if you were reading along at home. Give yourself a pat on the back. Are you ready to move on to our last sentence? Here it is. We're starting with the word a. It looks like this because it's a capital letter, but it's still an a sound. A. D-og. Dog. A dog. As. As. Has. A dog has. What number is this? 4. A dog has 4. Now our last word has our new or sounded again. P. Oars. P-oars. Paws. A dog has 4 paws. Well done. Now we've done our reading, it's time for our writing. Make sure you've got a pen or pencil and some paper at home and you can join in. Now I might need your help spelling some of these words, so make sure you use that big loud voice and call them out at home. Are you ready? We've got 2 sentences and our first sentence today is: a cat has sharp claws. Your turn. A cat has sharp claws. 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 We need 5 words. And our first word is a. Because it's the start of my sentence, I'm going to do a capital letter. So your a should look like mine. Write it down at home if you haven't already. A. is your next word, cat. You can do this by yourself. Write it down. Make sure you read it back to check you spelled it correctly. Cat. Cat. A cat has. Has is your next word, but be careful of the sound at the end. Get 3 fred fingers. Has. As. We need a s at the end. Write it down at home. A. S. As. Has. A cat has. A cat has sharp claws. Our next word is sharp, and we need 3 fred fingers. Can you help me spell this word? Sharp. 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 Call out those sounds again for me and I'll write them down. What's my first sound in sharp? Sh. R. We need R, start the car. Sh, R. Sh, R. Sharp. A cat has sharp. What's my last word? Claws. We need 4 fred fingers. Help me spell out the word claws. K, oars. Claws. This is our new or sound. It's the one we're going to use for the word claws. Help me write it down. Claws. I need a k, curl around the caterpillar. K, or, yawn at dawn. We need an a and a w. K, oars. And a full stop at the end. A cat has sharp claws. Well done. One more to go before we finished. I saw a shooting star. 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 Are you ready to write? I saw a shooting star. I is the first word we need. It's not the sound I, it's our tricky red word I. So we come down, cross the top, cross the bottom. I saw. We need our new or sound for the word saw. So 2 fred fingers please. Saw. S, or, saw. Write it down at home. S, or. It's an a and a w. I saw. What's the next word? I saw a. Nice and easy. I saw a shooting star. The word shooting is quite a long word, so we're going to split it up. Shoot, ing. First we need the word shoot. Get your 3 fred fingers. Shoot. Sh, oo, t, shoot. And it's oo, oo, poo at the zoo sound. Write it down. Sh, oo, t, word shooting. So at the end we need to put an ing sound. We need I, ng. So that's turned our word shoot into the word shooting. Shooting. I saw a shooting star. Just 3 thread sounds. St, r, star. Write it down at home. St, r, start the car. Make sure you read it back so you know you've got it right. St, r, star. Put a full stop at the end of your sentence and let's read it all together. I saw a shooting star. I saw a shooting star. Well done. Some more excellent learning today. You've learnt a new sound, you've done some reading and some writing. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now keep practicing at home. Any work you do, take a photo or a video and send it to us at school. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye everyone.